In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord time zone. So here are some easy steps on how to fix if your Discord time zone isn't matching your computer's time zone. So make sure you follow the same steps to make this work. So first, you must log into your Discord account. And after logging in into your account, so there are lots of beautiful features here, but most of the common error is when your time zones do not match your PC's time zone. So to match our time zone, just search date and time settings in your search button at the bottom and click to open. In here, make sure your date and time is set to automatically mode. So just toggle that one and it will set automatically. And the next thing you want to do is go ahead and synchronize your clock by clicking the Sync Now button in here. And this will now synchronize our clock to make sure it is up to the correct time. So next, what we need to do is we need to log out into our Discord account and then log in again. And your time zone should be matching your computer's time. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.